How to allow camera permissions on Chrome. So let's get started. To manage camera permissions in Chrome on your device, simply follow these steps. Firstly, open the Settings app on your iPhone and inside Settings app, scroll down and look for the apps option available there. It might be at the bottom of your settings and simply tap on the apps. Inside apps, look for the Chrome and tap on the Chrome. Once you tap on the Chrome, find the camera toggle and switch it on. After that, open Chrome and visit a site that requires camera access, example Google Meet. When prompted, simply tap Allow. Also, always ensure your device's camera is functioning if permissions are enabled but not working. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.